In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts across Apple devices. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have multiple Apple devices, for example, an iPhone, an iPad, a MacBook, and you would like to synchronize your contacts between all of them, then follow the instructions on this video and they will be automatically synchronized and kept up to date. So the most important thing is that you should use the same Apple account between all of the devices. By doing this, you will ensure that the same settings, not only related to the account, but also anything else like applications, documents, video, your data, will also appear on all devices simultaneously. So, if needed, go into the settings and double check to see which Apple account you are signed into. Another thing to ensure that the contacts are synchronized is to tap on your account. So go into the settings, choose your account here at the top, and then go to the iCloud options. So when you go there, select iCloud. By choosing iCloud, you will see what is currently being synchronized with iCloud. So tap on the option here, and then you can ensure that contacts synchronization is enabled. So tick this option to the side of contacts. By doing this, the contacts will now be saved onto iCloud, and by using the same Apple account on other devices, they will take the contacts from iCloud. So from on your MacBook, on your iPad, just sign into the same Apple account and make sure that iCloud synchronization is enabled, and everything that is ticked on here will be synchronized between those devices, including your contacts. If you go over to your MacBook, you can also make sure, so you go into the settings, make sure that you are signed into the same Apple account here, and then you can find the iCloud settings. By tapping iCloud, you can once again ensure that contacts are being properly synchronized between devices. And now if you open your contact book on your Mac or any other device, they should appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to sync contacts across Apple devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.